Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. So today is Tuesday and the date is 17th of November 2020. So today we are going to talk about what are natural resource. What do I mean by natural resource? What is a resource? Do you have any idea? What is a resource? So if you are ever going to use papers or pencils, from where did they get it? From where do you get the paper and pencil?
From trees?
Yes, excellent.
Trees.
People make them from trees. So people make paper and make pencils from trees. Or can you find trees in nature?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
So much.
so does it give you your need? Does it meet your need? The tree in
Sometimes.
nature?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
made. It's because the leaves. The book is made out of leaves, and leaves is from the trees. Yeah.
Excellent,
And
excellent.
also the
Okay.
trunk made of the house is made from the trunk.
Excellent. The houses are made from the trunk of the tree. Excellent. So the tree is already in nature and it gives you the need, whatever you need. It can help you, it can provide you with wood and leaves and everything in there. You are going
Also,
to
it
use
give us fruits and vegetables.
something from nature to meet your need. So this is a natural resource. So a resource, whatever you take from the place that you take whatever you need from. Now, give me an example, another example of a natural resource. Think about something in nature and it meets your need. Okay, first of all, we have to ask about what are our needs. You need food. From where you are going to eat or what you are going to eat.
Fruit and vegetables.
Nice, fruits and vegetables. Can you find fruits and vegetables in nature, Talia?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. Okay, what else? Only fruit and vegetables you are going to eat?
No. Meat. Fruits. Meat.
Meat, excellent. Okay. Okay, from where? From animals. Can you find them in nature?
Yeah. Yes.
So they are a natural resource. Now, are you familiar with the word resource? What's a resource?
Yes. Yeah. I'm familiar
So
with
it's the place that provide you your needs, whatever you need. Now, I want you to tell me what type of natural resource can be found in this setting. Look at the picture. What can you find? Natural resource. Oh, no. The answer for this question will be inside our lesson. Now, after you know what are natural resources and what are the example of natural resources, let me show you something. We have types of natural resources. This is what we are going to focus today on our lesson. What are the types of natural resources? Just open the pages.
rescue you can rely on. Okay.
So,
Resources.
you can rely on. That means something you can,
Trust.
yes,
Maybe.
it can save your life, or you don't, you can't stay away from it, or you can live without it. So like soap, water, cloths, and bricks, pencils, paper. What do all these things have in common?
Natural.
Yes, they are all from nature. Excellent. They are all natural resources or things made from these resources. Now, let's see.
Like water, trees, animals.
Yes,
Maybe.
all find in nature.
Yeah.
Okay, now look at this picture over here. These are all natural resources. What are these down here? Can you see them? Do you have any idea what are
like
these?
a fan? Like a fan.
It looks like a fan, but it's really huge.
Huge fan.
Who has any idea about it? Yes, yeah, Rital, what do you know about it?
I think it has.
Okay, it takes up the wind, okay, and it will transfer the wind to electricity. So it can renew the electricity every now and then. So it is a renewable resource. So it can have a new resource of electricity again and again. As long as there is wind, there is electricity. So these are wind turbines. We call it wind turbines. What do we call it?
Wind turbines.
So wind turbines, they take wind and they transfer it to electricity. Okay, so this is the first type of natural resource. A natural resource can be renewable. What do I mean by renewable? Any idea? What is a renewable? Yeah, Rihanna.
Natures that can be replaced quickly are called renewable.
So can it be replaced quickly?
Yeah.
Yes. Why? Why it can be replaced very quickly? Because it's in nature. See, if the wind, it's always there is a wind, and also the tree. Tree are a natural resource. So if you cut down this tree, you will have another one in 10 years. So it can, or let's say about the leaf. The leaf, if you cut down 2 or 3 leaves, it will grow another leaves in few days. Is that right? What about animals? Can they reproduce again? Or they need millions years?
They need they need 10 years exactly.
Yeah, 10 years are few, and maybe few days, some of them few months. So these are very short time. We call it, they can reproduce very quickly. We call it renewable resources. Anything in nature can be renewable. Anything.
But we don't have to use it quickly.
Yes, exactly. That leads us that we need to use it wisely. Do not cut trees all the time as long as you can recycle them. Why? Because it will take 10 years for another tree will grow, but if you are cutting trees all the time, so we might need much longer time until we have another trees. So you need to use natural resources wisely. What do I mean by wisely? Yes, Sirian.
Slowly.
Slowly. Leon, can you read for me what is a natural resource?
Yes. A natural resource. A natural resource are a natural resource are
Materials.
materials found in nature that are used by living things.
Excellent. So they are natural materials. Exactly. Every living thing can use them. Now look at the picture over here. What renewable resource are found in this setting? Look.
I think I see some
I need
geese
something renewable. Excellent. Grass and
grass and a pond, and there are 4 trees behind the goose over
okay,
there.
I want you to tell me what are the renewable resource that will we will have again for a short time.
The trees,
Trees, excellent.
the grass,
The grass. What about the water? Can you use the water? Is it a material you can use?
sometimes.
Yes, so the water is a renewable resource. If you take some water from here, are you gonna finish the whole pond? Does it finish the pond? No. Excellent, Talia. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, guys, let's go to the next page and see what do we have here.
How does Tanya say it?
So we have non-renewable resource. If renewable resource means that it can be replaced very quickly, non-renewable resource can mean what, Talia?
What is this thing?
Talia, what is non-renewable resource? We said that a renewable, Talia, can replace very easy in a short time or quickly. So non-renewable resource means, yes, Talia. Talia, I can't hear you.
Tell her to leave and rejoin.
Okay, someone else until Talia comes. Yes, Yelian?
Non-renewable resource, it can take thousands or millions years to replace
Excellent.
non-renewable. Miss, can I say example?
Of course you can say example, but can you read for
Like,
me
can you
so
hear
we
me
can
now?
underline, please? Because here we are
Okay.
highlighting. So I want you to underline with me. What is a non-renewable resource?
Natural resources that aren't replaced easily are called non-renewable resources.
So it can take
Thousands or millions of years to replace a non-renewable resource.
excellent. Yes, Talia, I could hear you. You can tell me an example, Yalayan. You wanted to tell me an example about non-renewable? Yes.
Like us people, we cannot like.
Are you a resource? A resource of what?
We're talking about resource?
Yes, it's renewable resources and non-renewable resources.
Like
For
buildings.
example, building, we can have many buildings in a short time, but see, soil, it takes hundreds of years to form. It is made of weathered rock and once living plants and animals. Also,
I know,
limestone.
like
Look at the
mountains.
limestone. Do you know the limestone? It's a stone.
No.
It's a stone made called limestone, but it forms over hundreds of years. It can't be formed in a short time. It has to take a lot of time to form. Not only limestone, also aluminium and mined. Look at the limestone, aluminium, all are mined. Limestone is used to make cement. Do you know the cement? Cement, they use cement for what?
To build houses.
Yes, to build houses. Excellent. So a limestone is the gray thing that you know, the gray color of cement.
That is like quicksand.
Yes, and aluminium is used to make cans. The Pepsi can or the food cans, they are made out of aluminium. And aluminium, is it a renewable or non-renewable?
Non-renewable.
Non-renewable. They take hundreds of years to form another materials. Okay, what about fossil fuel?
Fossil
Fossil
fuel.
fuel. Yes, what about fossil fuel?
I think fossil
to bring
fuel.
dinosaurs, like dinosaurs extinct from like.
No, it's not only about
millions.
dinosaurs. Fossil fuels are an example of non-renewable resource. Also, coal, oil, and natural gas. All these are types of fossil fuels. So coal, oil, and natural gas, all these can be fossil fuel.
Fossil
Let's
fuel.
underline them together, guys. Come on, come on. Let's underline them together. Okay?
Okay.
And some are used to produce electricity, some are used to run planes, cars, and other vehicles. Okay, guys, now I teach you two types of, or two sources of electricity. Do you remember? What are they?
Yes.
One is here and the other one in the other page. Remember? Yes, Yalayan.
Renewable resource and non-renewable
Excellent.
resource.
What is the renewable resource for electricity?
For electricity?
Yes, the renewable. In the previous page, let's go back. Here.
Like the fans or the tall thing.
Electricity. How can you find electricity from?
From the field of wind turbines.
Wind turbines. Wind turbines are using what to make you electricity? How they form electricity? They use
Wind.
what? Wind. Excellent. So wind is a renewable resource and we use it to have electricity. But over here,
Non-renewable, like the
coal, oil.
fossil fuels.
So fossil fuels, what are they?
Oil, coal, and natural gas are all types of fossil
Also,
fuels.
we have other kinds, other examples. We have soil,
Like
and
limestone.
limestone. Limestone, Italia. We use limestone for what? Talia?
Oh, you use limestone to make cement.
Excellent. And aluminium, ya Maria. We use aluminium to do what? To make what?
We use aluminium to make cans.
Excellent, to make cans. So all these are the renewable and non-renewable resources. Now you know all the renewable and non-renewable resources. From coast to coast, let's see. Every state has natural resources and many natural resources are found in greater quantities of some parts of the United States and others. They have trees, silver, wind, coal, and fish are just few example of natural resource. Now, before we see the United States, what they have, what a lot of things they have, let's talk about Saudi Arabia, guys. Where is the place that is very rich in fish? Fish is a renewable resource of food. So where is
Red Sea?
Yes, it's the Red Sea. Okay, do you know some small city we go to sometimes if we want to eat fish? Have you ever been to the Haban with your father? Or Thuwal? What about Yumba?
I always go there with my auntie.
Yes.
I always go there.
So it's very, so it's
Mexico. When I was little though.
it has a fish rise, so we call it rich with a natural resource which is renewable, that is a fish. Okay, All right. Where can you find many trees? Many trees.
And the
Miss,
forest.
I know.
Yes, tell me,
Desert is the
Leanne.
least place.
Where can you find so much trees?
Forest.
The forest. Where do we have any forest over here in Saudi Arabia?
No.
No, but we have a
Only
lot
in
of
America.
trees in south and sometimes in north. Okay, guys. Now let's take a look at this map. This map shows you the United States of America. Okay, can you tell me which has the most farming? Which is rich of the
Middle West.
Middle
and
West?
Middle West.
And
Middle West.
Is it West or Middle West? It's
Middle.
West. Excellent,
West.
because no, West
Oh,
one,
yeah, West.
2, 3, 4, 5, but Middle West has 4 farming. Okay, what
And
about
the
fisheries?
Southwest
Fisheries.
has only 3.
Huh?
Fisheries. Where can you find fisheries?
Sure. In the Gulf of Mexico and
Excellent.
in the
And
Antilles.
in the Northwest.
Excellent, excellent. Northeast. Also northwest over here, top on top. Okay, what about
In the
mining?
Pacific Ocean.
What do I mean
Mining?
by mining? Mining means
Mining,
digging for minerals and minerals itself as coal.
and northeast.
Excellent,
Northeast.
very good, very good. What
But
about
there's one in
timber?
the half.
Timber means these. Can you see the
Timber
timbers?
in the west.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
the
And
west.
also in the
Okay, what are
south.
timbers? What are timbers?
I don't
Wood.
know.
Wood.
Wood. Wood. They use wood. Excellent, very good. Green energy.
Green energy
Oil.
in
Oil.
west. The mostly is in west.
Thank
But
you,
south,
guys.
the
Thank
east
you.
does not have
So,
Miss, you forget the
green.
oil.
no. I know oil, we can find them in the southwest over here. Very good. All these are natural resource. People use them, okay? People use trees for lumbers, and people use hydraulic dams, wind turbines, and solar panels to produce green energy, okay? What do I mean by green energy? It came from nature, because it came from nature and not non-renewable or something not from nature. Okay? Now, flowing down the slope, let's see. Every second, millions of gallons of water flow from Mississippi River into the Gulf of Mexico. Where does all the water come from? Where do you think? From where? From where the water of river and gulf come from? From the ocean?
I think from ocean.
Ocean and from the rain. See?
Yes.
It's from the ocean and from the rain. From its source as a tiny stream in northern Minnesota to where it empties. It empties where? It will be empty where? Into the Gulf of Mexico. So, can water be a renewable resource or not?
So a day without water, how many ways do you use water each day? Make a list, then describe what day without water would be like.
Excellent. Now, can you tell me the answer? Yes, Yalayan. You read the question.
Oh, the answer is that without water, fishes will die.
Excellent.
And
what about us?
And we would like, without water, we couldn't drink. We can't drink.
We cannot drink water. Can you wash your hands, Yalia? Can you take a bath, Yaliana, without water? Can you be clean without water?
No.
No, excellent. What about swimming? Can you swim without water?
No.
So even activities, can we have plants without water?
No.
No.
Of
You
course
can't
no.
have fun without water.
Can you survive without water?
Never.
No.
Never, never. So surviving, we need to
Miss-
survive. We need water to survive.
Here.
And the world will not be as the same as it is if we don't have water. You need to drink, to wash your hands, brush your teeth, cook food, grow plants. You need to
Teacher.
water plants. Yes, Leah.
Who's we have 3 minutes?
What?
Lean. It's lean.
Okay, so people use it for maybe fishing, swimming. They use they use water to grow food. Also, cargo ships and bargages use Mississippi to move goods. See how they can travel without water. They cannot travel without water. So water
Maybe if you
is
want
very
to go to
important.
an island, you cannot fly, like go an airplane into the island.
Yes.
You have to sail.
Miss, if the human body doesn't get water, it will die.
Excellent. It will die if it doesn't eat, drink
Sometimes
water. Okay.
Even plants can go extinct.
because they live in water.
Okay,
They
guys.
will never ever have clean things.
Is it very important to keep it clean? Your
Yes,
environment?
of course.
Very.
Yes. And I remember
Excellent.
that
Lots
if
of
you
animals
put
die when we not clean our environment.
if we
Excellent.
throw
Excellent.
trash in the water, like because animals don't like understand that this is trash, they like eat it. And I remember I saw the picture of like a seagull has all his trash in his body.
Oh, so you know
That's
all
so
about
sad.
pollution. Excellent.
Yes.
This is called pollution. Okay, guys, time is up. We are going to continue tomorrow. We just have this one and then we'll do sum it up together tomorrow. So I hope you understand, enjoyed, and I would love to see you tomorrow, inshallah, at the same time. Thank you, guys. I love you, my girls. Thank you.
Miss,
Bye-bye.
this is so, Miss,
Bye.
we are like,
Bye, guys.
Science
Bye.
is finishing easy. We just started a new lesson and we just finished it.
Because it's very easy and you are smart enough to learn it in one day. I'm so proud of you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, you.